Hey everyone, Natasha here. Welcome back to Before AGI. If you've been following the AI race between the US and China, you know things are heating up fast. Just yesterday, February 16th, 2026, Alibaba's Qwen team dropped Qwen 3.5, and it's already making waves. We're talking a 397 billion parameter model, but only 17 billion active thanks to a crazy efficient mixture of expert setup. They claim it's cheaper, faster, multimodal native, and packed with real agentic superpowers, like controlling apps on your phone and desktop visually. Is this the open weight model that finally catches or passes the current frontier closed models? Let's break it all down: benchmarks, architecture, how to try it today, and what it means for 2026. If you're into local LLMs, agents, or just want to know who's winning right now, smash that like button early and let's dive in. For context, Alibaba's Qwen family has been one of the strongest open contenders since 2023. Qwen 2.5 gave us excellent 72B models that punched way above their weight. Qwen 3 brought massive scale and better reasoning. Now, Qwen 3.5 is positioned as the agentic AI era model, released right on the eve of Chinese New Year with more sizes promised soon. Two main launches so far: Qwen 3.5 397B A17B, the open-weight beast on Hugging Face, Model Scope, GitHub. Qwen 3.5 Plus, the hosted flagship on Alibaba Cloud Model Studio, with 1 million token context by default. Let's talk about what makes Qwen 3.5 special. First, hybrid architecture magic. They combined gated delta networks, linear attention for efficiency, with sparse mixture of experts. Total params, 397 billion. Activated per token, only 17 billion. That means inference speed and cost closer to a 17 to 20B dense model, while delivering performance that Alibaba claims beats or matches much larger rivals on many tasks. Second, native multimodal plus visual agents. This is a true vision language model from the ground up. It understands images, documents, screens, and videos. It has visual agentic capabilities. It can look at your phone desktop UI and take independent actions, tap buttons, scroll, fill forms, etc. This is huge for real-world agents that go beyond text APIs. Third, massive improvements claimed: 60% cheaper than predecessor, 8 times better at large workloads, long contexts. Language support jumped from 119 to 201 languages DAR dialects. 1M context on the hosted plus version, default. They also say it crushes several benchmarks in reasoning, coding, agent tasks, and multimodal understanding. Alibaba is bold with the claims. They say Qwen 3.5 Plus outperforms leading US models on multiple evals, especially agent-related and cost-adjusted. The Open 397B A17B already shows strong numbers in general reasoning, MMLU style, coding, human eval, live code bench, agent benchmarks, tool use, planning, multimodal, chart doc understanding, screen agents. Of course, take official numbers with a grain of salt. Independent tests are just starting, it's day one. But early buzz on X, Reddit, our local LMA, and from influencers is very positive. Many are calling it one of the strongest open releases of 2026 so far, especially for agent use cases. Compared to recent Western mo's like DeepSeek V3 or XAI's upcoming stuff, Qwen 3.5 is here now, open weights and optimized for real deployment. Good news, you can play with it today. Go to chat.qwen.ai and select Qwen 3.5 Plus, free tier available, paid for heavy use. Try throwing long contexts, image plus text, or agent-style prompts at it. Local self-host, Hugging Face, Qwen 3.5 397B A17B. Quantized versions will appear soon. Perfect for 24 GB VRS VRAM cards. Pro tip: if you're building agents, start with the visual screen understanding prompts in their blog examples. They're impressive. So why does this matter? China's open models are no longer just catching up. In some areas, especially efficiency plus agent multimodal, they're starting to lead or at least tie the frontier. Qwen 3.5 signals the shift toward native agents, models that don't just talk but act across real interfaces. If more sizes drop soon, they promised smaller ones, this could democratize powerful agents for everyone. My hot take after first looks. If you're building agents or multimodal apps, pay very close attention. The cost-performance ratio might make it the go-to for startups and hobbyists in 2026. What do you think? Is Qwen 3.5 overhyped, or is Alibaba quietly winning the open LLM war? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll read them all. That's it for today's breakdown of the hot new Qwen 3.5 release. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We're tracking these releases closely, and I'll have hands-on tests, benchmarks, and comparisons coming very soon. Links to the blog, GitHub, and chat are in the description. Thanks for watching. Happy Chinese New Year to everyone celebrating, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay curious.